Unlock a world of creative possibilities with Nano Banana, your new AI companion. First, let's get you set up upon launching Nano Banana. You'll be greeted by its intuitive dashboard. This is your central hub for everything the application can do. Take a moment to observe the clean design. You'll notice several key areas at the top. You have your profile and settings on the left side. A navigation menu leads you to different modules and features. The main central area is where your work will happen, displaying your current project or selected tool. The core of Nano Banana lies in its diverse functionalities. Clearly laid out in the navigation menu, let's explore the Generators section first. This is where you'll find tools to create novel content from scratch. Powered by advanced AI, think of it as your digital muse, ready to spark inspiration. Within Generators, you'll encounter different inputs. For instance, you might provide a text description, choose a visual style, or even upload a sample audio clip. Nano Banana then interprets these inputs to produce unique outputs. Experiment with different prompts to see the vast range of results. Once you have something generated, the Editors section is your playground for refinement. Here, you can fine-tune your creations, adjust parameters, enhance details, or blend different elements. This hands-on control ensures your final output perfectly matches your vision. Don't forget the library. This is where you can save all your amazing work, organize it into projects, and access it anytime. It's your personal archive of creativity. Getting started is as simple as exploring each section and seeing what Nano Banana can do for you. Dive in and let your imagination run wild.